guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're playing Teardown. Yay. And this is a new map. It's called CYBERPUNK. It's actually a pretty good game. Huh. And yes, I am playing on PlayStation. Not PlayStation 5 though. PS4. I know. They haven't released it on PS4. It's just on my PC. It's compatible. Now let's go. I was homeless. Ouch. Don't do that. Stupid people nowadays. I was homeless, as I was trying to say. And over here's my new house. Or hotel, I should say, in the Cybertown. Or Cyberpunk. I think this is where. That's over here. Ouch. Yeah, it's here. Oh, there. There we are. Ah, it's so bright. Ooh wee. Open the door. What in the world is this? No, I'm just gonna chuck it upstairs. There we are. What? Where'd you come from? Oh, just wanna go to my apartment. Uh-oh. Oh, man. I can't go in my own apartment or something. But okay, I just had to barge in. Yeah, this is my apartment. Was my apartment. Well, ooh, gaming setup. At least I got my own gaming setup. Alright. Oh. Yes, my gaming PC. Don't you dare break it. Sort of looks like mine. Alright, there we are. Carefully bring this down to the cyberpunk city. Carefully. Why am I stuck? Oh, don't lose my cyberpunk PC. Just gonna leave it right here. Alright, I'm gonna be back in the house. Taking this too. My cyberpunk gaming chair. Probably like, where am I taking this? I'm taking this outside because I don't think I need it. Come on, chair. Can't fit. Come on. Fit through here. Oh man, this is stupid, bro. Need my blowtorch, so now it can fit through. Come on. There we are. Wait, where'd my gaming PC go? Did it just stop this train thing? Oh, whoopsies. Wait, what? Hold on. I honestly don't know what's going on. What even is this? Oh! It's one of these like trains, like metro trains. Dang, this is a nice cyberpunk city. Wow. Huh. The reason I'm playing this on a PS4 controller is so you guys don't hear that. Or that. That's why. And, how would you drive this? Oh no, oh no. No. Yeah, I'm a bad driver, apparently. What? How would you... How would you literally drive that? Anyway, back to throwing stuff out of my apartment. Actually, what's the fun in that? Without actually playing Teardown. You know what we need? Oh, fuck. How would you... Oh! Oh, okay, it's already happening. I want it down here. Is that possible? Can I, like, view it? Yeah, I'm still getting used to the controls. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, well. Let's just do it like this. Welcome back to Teardown. Wait, where did all the cars go? Did I blow them? Ouch! Ow! Oh! Oh, that hurt. Oh, man, I'm homeless again. Man. What's with it these days? Wait, there's an arcade room? Yo, can I steal a card? I can't talk. Arcade machine? Yo, there's another room. Is this where they steal all the... where they put all the arcade games? Let's see here. Jumpman. We have Donkey Kong. What's this one? Unknown Lands. This one sounds good. Let's play this. Let's play that game. Looks good. Oh, there. Jumpman. Unknown Land. You know what? It's fun of playing all these games without destruction. Carefully place them out. Jumpman. I mean, Unknown Land did not make it. Please, please, no. Jumpman 2.0. Yes. No. I think I jinxed it. No. Stupid door, bro. Probably did this. Alright, just come out here, bro. Oh. Come on, gentle, whatever. Tornado controller. What does this do? Whatever it does nothing. Gravitizer. Ooh, gravitizer. Bet. Whee! Oh, well, hovercrafts can officially hover as fast. Whee! Wait, can I do something with these cars? Oh, I can. Aw. Oh, whoa. Oh, wait, hold on. Hello. Up. No, up. No, I said up. Up. Actually, no, this way. I think I broke the game. What does this do? Right click. It's right click. Right click does nothing. So it just like spawns the. No. Oh, it does nothing. Okay, okay, that's crouch, obviously. Oh, okay, that's map. Okay. Okay, triangle is that? Oh no. Wait, where is it? Machine gun. Right click. What is that? I know that's a mouse, but would it be on a PS4 controller? Okay, I don't care. Airstrike, attack drone. Oh well. C4, you know what? Let's just blow it up. Oh my. Yeah, still gotta figure out the controls. You know what? Let's just do bombs. Oh, there. Let's just blow up the whole entire city. Sorry, Cyberpunk City, whatever your name is. Oh no. Yeah. Wait, Chinatown. Oh, is this where they sell Chinese food? Sorry, I actually blew up your store. Oh no. Whoopsies. I didn't mean to. Wee! Oh no. Wait, how would you drive this? I swear these are rigged. Oh, it's a 7-Eleven! You know I do 7-Elevens? When they don't give me a Slurpee? Oh, okay. When they don't give me a Slurpee? Oh, there's Slurpees right here, speaking of. That's what happens when they're out of Slurpees. I want a Slurpee! Oh no. Bye-bye, 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven no longer exists. No longer exists. Oh, it's a Chinese restaurant. It has a flame logo. Next barbecue. You're in my next barbecue. Come on, break me in. Break me in. Come on. Oh, it's already on fire. Wait, this can't light up? What? How do you... Oh. There's fire. Fire. Ouch. Oh well. At least there's fire. What can I say? Ooh, hunting rifle. Bet. Oh. Everything revolver. Ouch. Huh. Rocket launcher. Oh. Yeah, this is my next barbecue. If anyone is Chinese, can someone translate this in the comments? Because I honestly don't know what this says. But I think it says fire. Oh, another Chinese. I swear this is a Chinese cyberpunk city. So this is like, is this like Chinatown's area? That'd be cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's Teardown. Oh, knockoff. No knockoffs. Ooh. Oh, dang it. I'm gonna try to hit one of these cars. No, missed. Missed. How? How do I keep missing all this? How? Oh, yes! Let's go. Come on, I gotta hit this one. If I hit this car, I have to end the video. No. Ah, how? The world just wants me to keep letting you guys filming this video. Oh, that hurt a lot. This looks like Stray, if anyone plays it. Like the game and a Cybertruck I just broke. Okay, we gotta hit this car. Yeah, we can't hit that one, but we can sure hit this one. Nope. Oh, man. How? How isn't that car like braking? Alright, rocket launcher. Now, how? Lucky car. Come on, bro. Yes, finally! The red one. Now the blue one. Oh man. Come on. Come on, we need to hit this one. Then I'll end the video. No. Know what? Make it faster. I'll just do this. What? How? Oh, there. Here, why don't you go that way, car? Oh. Oh well. Wait, did I kill all the cars? Oh well, if I did, that's good. That means none of them exist no more. Let's see what else we have. Oh yeah, right. End the video. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys on the next video. See you guys.